So I remember one of my first comedy gigs. I did this show, um, and the show was cool. The audience was cool. It was at a Japanese restaurant, but the booker had a hotel that he booked us at, and I didn't think anything of it. So when I pulled up to this hotel, I noticed it wasn't a hotel; it was a motel. And the reason I noticed that is because I happened to look in one of the windows, and I saw pictures on the wall of the people who was staying in the motel, and I'm like, what's going on here? And it was just what I thought. It was one of the worst motels I ever stayed in. It was terrible. It had a smell, but not a smell so bad that you want to leave. And I didn't have any money at the time, so I had to stay there. But I didn't even sleep on the bed. I like slept in the chair. That's what I did. Like the hotel room didn't even have bed bugs because I don't even think bed bugs would have even like came to that hotel and be like, you know what, this is a little bit too much for us. We're not even gonna stay here. So that was a crazy gig that I had. Terrible hotels. If you're trying to be a comedian, you're gonna go through those things. That's what it is.